Cases of counterfeit goods flooding the market and resulting in losses for those dealing in authentic brands is not a new phenomenon. Dausab highlighted the need to increase awareness around property rights across the country to curb piracy and protect innovation and investment. The minister applauded the Business and Intellectual Property Authority, saying since its establishment in 2016, the agency has made significant progress towards creating a conducive environment for intellectual property rights holders, users and innovators.
That at this point, that is, as Namibia, we have put in place a comprehensive legal framework to protect intellectual property rights, which includes the Industrial Property Act of 2012 that deals with patents, trademark, utility model, and industrial design registration and protection, while the Copyright and Neighboring Rights Protection Act of 1994 ventures into the protection of our creative industries. These legal instruments provide a solid foundation for the protection and enforcement of intellectual property rights.
The event was attended by various distinguished jurists from the continent. Chief Justice Peter Shivuta's speech, delivered on his behalf by Shafimana Uitile, urged the jurists representing various jurisdictions at the event to take the message of intellectual property rights seriously so that the rights holders are protected and can benefit from the fruits of their labor.
In Namibia, intellectual property rights, just like any other property rights, are protected under the Constitution and the law. Namibian courts have several occasions been called upon to adjudicate on cases involving the enforcement of these rights. The jurisprudence in this area of the law has therefore evolved.
Also speaking at the occasion were the Director General of the African Regional Intellectual Property Organization, Bemanya Twebaze, and International Intellectual U.S. Department of Justice, Tanya Hill.
It seeks to establish a network of judges who can exchange knowledge and information on IP rights and help populate a compendium of Africa's IP rights case law from your respective jurisdictions.
Nigeria adopted its national IP policy only in September of 2022. Botswana followed in November 2022, while Namibia launched its national IP policy and strategy in 2019. All these things have happened within the last 3-4 years. Other countries that have generally followed, their policies are less than 15 years old. An IP policy establishes the framework conducive for innovation and competitiveness through IP generation, protection, and commercialization. It defines the parameters of the use of IP as a strategic catalyst to accelerate transformational growth within national territories.